Hi everyone. Today we are going to look at the definition of Power Automate. So, what is Power Automate? Power Automate is an online workflow service that automates actions across the most common apps and services. And what can you do with Power Automate? You can use Power Automate to automate workflows between your favorite applications and services, synchronize files, get notifications, collect data, and much more. For example, you can automate a couple of tasks like instantly respond to high priority notifications or emails, capture, track, and follow up with new sales leads, copy all email attachments to your OneDrive for business account, collect data about your business and share that information with your team, or automate approval workflows. There are different kind of flows. So the first one being cloud flows, and in cloud flows there is automated cloud flow, there is an instant cloud flow, and scheduled cloud flow. The other one being desktop flows, and in that we have Power Automated Desktop, Selenium IDE, and Windows Recorder. And the last one is business process flows, and what's included in that is AI modeling your business process. Let's now create a new flow where we are going to save the attachments from an email to SharePoint. Let's create a new flow and name it as monitor incoming emails, and the trigger is going to be when a new email arrives. So the trigger is when a new email arrives. So let's create it. So, let's define the folder, which is going to be inbox, and it's from guest in this case. Let's include the attachments, and we'll go to the next step. So the next step is to create a file. So whatever attachments we have received in the email, it is going to be saved in SharePoint. And right now I've created a folder called emails received in a site called test site, and there's nothing in it. So let me include the test site here, and the folder path is going to be shared documents and email received, so that it matches the folder here. The file name is going to be attachments name. Attachments name, and the file content is going to be attachments content. So we have defined what happens when a new email arrives, and the output from the previous step is the attachment, and we are going to save the attachment in the SharePoint site whenever we receive a new email. So let's save it. So it tests the flow manually. So to see it work now, send a new email to your inbox. Okay, so I'm going to send a new email to guest. And the subject line is going to be test email. I've also included an attachment called C56. So let's send it. Okay, we have received the email. Waiting for the test to complete. Okay, so it seems the flow ran successfully, and now there is a image file, which is a file that was sent. Okay, so we have just created our first flow. Thank you for watching.